Is your bookkeeping a hot mess? Does your bookkeeping even exist? Do you find yourself spending hours and hours going through paperwork and files and downloading transactions to put everything together for tax time just to file each year? Today I'm going to share with you the one simple thing that you can do right now to start getting control of your bookkeeping. It's going to make your life so much easier. So let's dive in. So what's the one simple thing you can do right now, you ask? Are you ready for this? It's pretty simple. You're going to open a separate bank account. Okay, I know most banks require you to have a DBA or registered LLC or tax ID or EIN to open a business bank account. And I've linked a few videos in the description of this video that walk through obtaining a tax ID, registering a DBA or LLC if you want to check those out. Honestly, if you're not at a place to register a DBA or LLC or obtain a tax ID yet, all you need to do is set up a separate bank account. This can be a bank account with your name and social security number that you're going to use only for business transactions. Even if you have to deposit a little bit of your own cash into this account to get things rolling, this is going to make your life so much easier. So how does this help, right? First, now you have everything running through one account. So at the very least, bare minimum, at tax time, you can go to this bank, log in, download the activity into a CSV file, sort that out in Excel or Google Sheets with your income and expenses, and have what you need to file taxes pretty darn quickly. Secondly, is that a word? It is now. You can start using QuickBooks Online. You can easily connect this bank account with QuickBooks Online and start pulling transactions right into the software and categorizing them to the appropriate income and expense accounts so that you actually have a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. You could look at this profit and loss monthly to see how your business is growing, to see where your expenses are, to see how much money is coming in or where it's going out. And then at the end of the year, you can pull a profit and loss for the entire year to file taxes with a click of a button. Okay, so what about a credit card? I get this a lot. I know sometimes getting started with a business might require a little bit of an investment and maybe a little bit of debt. If you're going to use a credit card to fund your business at all, even if it's a personal card, you need to have one dedicated to just business transactions. Whether that's opening a business credit card, great, or opening a personal card that you're going to use just for business, or taking one you already have, paying it off and starting fresh and using it only for business. You can do the same thing. You can then go to that credit card website, download the transactions into Excel or Google, sort them out for tax time, or you can even connect that credit card to QuickBooks Online to categorize everything and add to that profit and loss statement so that you have a full set of books. I know these are kind of simple things, but they truly will make a world of difference because now you have everything flowing and you can actually start putting it together instead of spending hours going through all of your personal accounts, highlighting or taking out the things that are personal versus what's business. I mean, what a headache. I know we've all been there. You don't have to do that anymore. Now you have a place to get started to finally get control of your bookkeeping once and for all. I hope that shed some light on this topic for you. If you're interested in learning more about these types of topics, I'd love for you to join my free Facebook community. You'll find the link down below in the description for this video. I hope to see you there. Don't forget to subscribe.